Yeah, well, I don't know what he's doing, so I didn't want to go down the reason. Why are you indicating right and turning left forward? Why are you indicating right and going left?
Sorry?
Why do you indicate right and go left? You indicated right and went left.
Why are you shouting? First of all, why are you shouting?
Because I got a helmet on and I can't hear you.
What?
You're indicating right and you turn
move,
left.
You move the helmet first, then you can hear me. If you want to hear me.
Stupid idiot. Oh, stop sign. Stop sign. What's wrong with you? Come on! Come on in, old timer. What the fuck is going on here? What are you doing?